How about some action video for Facebook?
Action. This is action. Look at that, 2 points.
Oh, I missed it. You're going to have to do it again. You think you can do it twice?
Yep. Whoa! Watch this brave woman.
Woo! That must be where your grandchildren get it from.
Of course. Who that? All right, here we go. Slam dunk.
Woo!
That was good.
It was good.
I know. Oh no, that's too close to the edge. Well.
Ah,
Almost.
nice try.
What can I say? Practicing for the WNBA. Come on, Jai. Try to put it in. There's a shark in the water, actually.
There is, I know.
Thank you.
Airball. Sorry.
You didn't really get it. If that temperature gauge is right, then it's 80.
I prefer 90.
Oh, chicken.
I know.
Oh,
Getting your coffee all wet.
it's pretty well blocked. Oh, getting my phone wet.
Yeah, let me grab that.
Why don't you put the goggles on, Mamai?
Okay.
Let me grab that.
Who that? You think these will fit? No.
It's the new look.
Get down.
Oh my gosh.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, over the back.
Wow. Fe-
Wasn't that awesome?
What's that thing they do in the pool when they put music and they dance? Oh, what's it called?
That was easy.
Synchronized swimming.
Yeah. Can you do some synchronized swimming, Mamai?
Synchronized.
She needs somebody else.
What?
She has 2 moves.
No, 3. Oh! Shouldn't have done that one. All right.
Can you even see with those things on?
What? Yeah.
You got a big piece of hair in your eye.
I can see.
That vest makes her look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
I know.
She grabs the ball. She jumps. She shoots. She misses.
Oh.
And also
It's
she
raining.
shouldn't have jumped. Is it?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
You're in the right spot for the rain, Mamai. You're all set.
That's true.
Oh, it's like a 1 second rain shower.
Yeah, that was weird.
Mm.
Ah! That was a 3-point shot. Wait a second here. Where's the edge?
Trevor, push her to the edge. She's scared.
Trevor, help her. Help her. Push her to the edge.
Push me to the edge. Push. Push. Oh. Lord, that was the experience.
That was an adventure for your day today. Now she'll never trust us again,
Yeah.
Tia.
Cross that off my bucket list.
She didn't lean forward enough. That's why. And then you
Yeah.
ended up going. You twisted around. You didn't
Yeah.
lean forward enough. That's why you flipped like that.
But the minute you start,
Kicking, you're.
Get close. No spitting in the water.
there she goes. She's gonna try it again.
I can't help it. You know?
No,
it's okay.
You're
Trevor.
trying again. That's
No,
good.
it's okay.
Trevor, hold her hands.
What?
Hold her hands.
I got it. I got it. Mama!
Let go of the noodles. Let go of the noodles.
Put your feet down.
There you go. Put your feet down. Let go of the noodles. There you go. See?
See?
That's all.
That's all.
Oh yeah, that's easy for you to say. You two were on the porch.
Tia, get in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I guess.
Tia's coming in.
All right.
You scored a little boy.
I did.
Yep.
Cute one.
Mhm.